Hello friends, welcome back to Pratham the Creative Mind, and today I am going to tell you how to make a neon intro in Filmora X. So let's get started. First, import the media files from the folder neon intro, link in the description. Then select your alphabets. After selecting all the effects, go to text and then go to downloads and choose the default text. Edit the default text according for your alphabets and keep the size as 150. And then keep it the default font Arial Unicode MS and click on OK. Go to media and take all the files according to you. After taking all the files, right click on the timeline as shown here and adjust the track height to small, just like this. After this, hide all the text and unhide only the first text. Then click on the first text properties. Go to composing and set for screen. After doing this, click on the first alphabet copy effect. After that, unhide all the alphabets. After that, select all the alphabets and then click the right button and paste effect. After that, it is applied for all alphabets. Then hide all the alphabets again. And then go to the first alphabet and click on show properties. Then go to transform and adjust the letter by your convenience. Do this for all the alphabets. After that, delete the text and then check your video preview. Cool. Then you have to export the video according to your convenience. Then it will take 5 to 10 seconds for exporting. After your video gets exported, delete all the files and then import the video and import the background video. Then go to transactions and select fade. Select the first fade and apply it on the both videos. Then click on the first transaction show properties and click it on and set it on 24. Do this for the both video effects. After that, go to the end and do that for 1 second. Do this for another, and then you can preview your video. Guys, if you like the video, so please subscribe, share and like the video. And I am also a Filmora partner, so you can expect more tutorials video from me. Thanks for watching.